How to make pencil art in Android phone. It's very easy. Today we'll learn how to make pencil effects in Android smartphone. First of all, you have to open the Play Store and you have to search pencil photo editor, and there is lots apps available, but I'm choosing sketch photo maker, and it's have 4.2 ratings, and it have 5 million plus downloads, and it have 57k reviews. But I have already installed this apps, that's why I'm opening it. You can see here there is two options. One is gallery, another is remove ads. And remove ads is not necessary for me, that's why I'm choosing the gallery. And you can see here it's telling me make an artistic sketch of your photo. Okay, so from the gallery I'm choosing a photo, so I think I should to choose this one. Yeah, I'm choosing this one, and from here here is lots of ratio available to crop your photo, and I think here is 1 is to 2, 1 is to 1, 2 is to 1, 1 is to 2, 3 is to 2. There is lots of ratio available, but it's okay for me, so I'm clicking in apply. Yeah, now it's start to sketch the photograph. Yeah, it's really impressive and it's very good. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, now it's finished. So here is lots of effects also available. You can use this kind of effects, but I'm okay with basic effects, so I'm clicking on save. See, now it's already finished, and here is four option. One is save. You can share in the Facebook, or you can share in Instagram, or you can share using your apps, but I'm saving it and I need to click in the save button. See, now it's already finished. It's telling me that image saved. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any queries or if you have any feedback, please give me a comment in the comment sections, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll meet with you in another video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.